first before you start duplicating things. So we're going to go with texture, which will be material. Click new. When she loads, there we go. Right, so this material, you can name it if you want to. I don't sometimes, because I kind of just like working fast, but we're just going to name this as gold, gold surface, gold pattern, gold. I'll just put gold CO for the moment. So you've got all these options down here as well that you can do. If you'd like it translucent, you can do. If you want it as an emission, I don't know why you'd want the bottom of a coffee table as an emission, but you can do. For me, on this project, I'm going to be doing a gold. So I'm just going to go with the orange, turn the metal all the way up, roughness down. If you haven't already, these tutorials are in cycles, so if you just go to the render tab, you just click off cycles right there. When you render, you can see that we've kind of got this gold effect going on. Now, the lighting isn't great in here, so I'm just going to change the lighting to a sun. Just turn that up a little bit. Okay, so this isn't quite gold. We want this a little bit brighter. I'd say roughly about that much. So we're just making a basic table. I mean, like, you know,